Okay, been getting a lot of inquiries on how the Jeep rebuild's going since the fire. So I thought I'd do a little just an update. So I have began the tear down of everything that needs to be removed for the bodywork. So I've removed the rear tire carrier and a lot of the interior pieces. Of course, I had a storage rack back here. That's all been removed. Panels, door panels, that's all been removed. Seats, center console. There's the seats in the back tailgate panel. There's door panels and the rear side panels back there, as well as the storage system I had going on back there. That's the tire carrier there, and the tires there. It's amazing how much weight was in this thing. Got quite a bit more lift now here in the back, but yep, that's how things are going. Oh yeah, the headliner's been removed. Still got to remove the insulation that I installed up there. Still have to remove the dash and the AC from the inside, so they can get access to the firewall. Of course, you know, all the wiring is going to be removed. I've been receiving boxes of rebuild parts that I'll need. That would be including the wiring kit, which was the last box I received. Seemed to take forever to get that one for whatever reason, so it's a good thing I wasn't in a big hurry. So yeah, a lot of this work was delayed because of trying to get my 91 Cherokee ready for trips. I had to build a storage system for the back on that. I also had to install a center console because it just had a what they call a mini console in it. So I had to install the console. I had to install all the comms. I also had to finish up the bumper and the brush guard. Had things to work out as far as the lift. Sway bar disconnects. Working out all the little bugs. Not to mention keeping up with yard work and getting the garden going. So at this point, getting caught up a little bit, so now I'm able to work on the Jeep. But unfortunately, it's so hot right now, I only have the option of working on it early morning, usually on weekends. But now, some of those weekends are taken up with my wife and I now, since we've been doing a little bit of traveling with the new trailer, and then we did pick up a new vehicle for her. So that's been a busy last few weeks with that as well. So yeah, hopefully we'll get caught up with the Jeep and get it into the shop hopefully before fall. I would love to get it up and running again this fall, but the way things are going, it's probably going to be next spring. But I do have the 91 Cherokee for upcoming trips, which at this point there's only 2 more left this fall. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I had to take time to pick up this Jeepster. This is a Willys Overland, but I don't know if I'll ever overland with it. So, that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching.